friends, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. I hope you are having a wonderful time. Thank you for joining me in today's video. Please, if you're here and you're new to this channel, please subscribe. You will see the subscribe button there. Just press on it, and also you can click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know whenever a new video is posted. Today guys, I'll be showing you how to make a healthy banana smoothie. To make this banana smoothie, I have some ripe bananas here. Now, there are a couple of ways to make banana smoothie. You can combine it with different fruits, with apple, with strawberry, and with orange. So just whatever you like to combine it with. Okay, but I'll be showing you my own healthy and easy way of making banana smoothie. Okay, so I'm going to pick out some banana from the bunch. I had to cover this to preserve it. I'll be needing 3 bananas for this smoothie. Okay, so I'm going to take the remaining away. Now, to make this simple banana smoothie, I will start by peeling my bananas. Okay, I'll just go ahead and cut the bananas into tiny pieces, then place them in a blender. You can easily use your hand to do this. To the same blender, I'm going to be adding in sweet orange. Okay, just make sure you take out the seeds from the orange before you add it to blend. Otherwise, you're going to end up with a slightly bitter taste smoothie. Okay, that was 1 orange. Next, I'll be adding in 1/3 cup of yogurt into the same content, and I'll follow it with 1/3 cup of cold milk. You can add in a tablespoon of honey. Okay, this is optional. Next, I'll just go ahead and pulse this a few times. Once you have a very smooth and a creamy consistency like this, you should stop blending. This banana smoothie is rich and creamy. I blended it with orange. Orange contains vitamin C. Banana itself is rich in potassium and it's good for you because I blended this with the pulp of the orange. It's a good source of fiber. It helps you in digestion. Okay guys, here is a thick and creamy banana smoothie. You can enjoy this. I had to combine all of these ingredients because they are healthy. The yogurt makes it thick, orange gives it a sweet flavor and a sweet taste. It's a natural sweetener. Okay guys, your banana smoothie is ready. Enjoy this right away. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you subscribe and also share the video with your friends. Until next time, bye for now.